As you guys know, this little girl was sick over the Easter weekend, vomiting.
Hey, you were sick.
Yeah. So we had to make her some homemade food again. So I thought you guys might want to see what all goes into making food for Merida when she's sick. Booster helps. That's what goes into it. It's made with love by Booster. Of course, we have to cook the chicken and the vegetables for right now. Usually I use raw vegetables. However, because her tummy isn't doing great, I wanted to make sure that it's easily digestible. So we cooked our chicken thigh, a little bit with skin on and some without, so we don't want to have too much fat. Then we take it all and I add some frozen blueberries to it. And then we're going to blend it all up. Some of the broth that's in there. So as you can see here, we have blended food and blended up with the blueberries. And this is the rest of the broth that we're going to be using. Food, it's a little thick. So as you can see, it's kind of thick. So I use the metal dish so that we can heat it up for her too, because when she's having troubles, cold food is very hard to digest. So just kind of take the metal dish and I put this all around on the bottom so it'll get warmer a little bit faster. And then I take a little bit of the broth, it's usually like 1 to 2 teaspoons, and I put that into the microwave. Heat that up for 20 seconds. And then we just stir it around so it gets to about room temperature. Stir. And of course, we have help from Booster. Yes, Booster. Yes, we use the food processor. Exactly. That's how we make Merida's food, right? Okay, come on, buddy. Off the counter. Come on. No. Booster. Come on, buddy. Take it down. Thanks for helping. Merida, you was helping with your food. That's so nice of them, huh? So as I was saying, then we stir it all around so that everything breaks up, so it's a little bit easier for her. Plus the added liquid as well too, because we don't want her to get dehydrated. But there is salt in the broth as well to help with that. And so we just kind of get rid of the lumps and everything. So it's a little bit easier for her to eat. It's more like paddling. You want some food? Okay. And that's how we know that it is time for some chicken dinner. Keeping in on it. And she can sometimes have trouble, so I have to spoon feed her a lot. I find that she sees better with the blue spoons though, so hey, spoon feeding is a key to Merida, no. Yeah, you do it, okay? She said no, Mom. Oh my goodness, Booster! You're bucking her tail, buddy. Oh my. While eating. Booster, you're bucking her tail, buddy. Yeah, see, she doesn't look very happy about that, buddy. And now she won't eat regular kibble again because she's so spoiled eating this. We're never gonna get back to kibble, Merida. We're never getting back. She's like, I'll eat people food only. Spoilable princess. There's everyone even you. You doing your weird chair thing? Hey, you hanging out on the chair? She's gonna clean that dish. She loves this stuff. You're going for some clean dish stars, huh? Clean dish. Good girl. And then we gotta clean her up because she's got chicken in her fur and everywhere. We usually have a towel that she sits on, but I can't find them, so no, she's gonna clean up her mess. That is one clean dish, girl. You was hungry. Woo, hungry kitty. Look at that chicken nose. Adorable. Good girl.